Staying ahead of the game in business means leadership, innovation, and a constant drive for improvement. It's about being ready now, and even more so, ready for the future. As an international, progressive, independent systems integrator, ITI Group are at the forefront of operational technology and information management, helping businesses to advance towards a safer, more efficient, and sustainable future. Flexible enough to meet ever-changing operational and environmental demands. A trusted technology partner supporting critical national infrastructure for more than 50 years by delivering secure, reliable, and productive solutions, helping industry leaders remain one step ahead. From greatly enhanced safety and security delivered via cutting-edge technological innovation, to low-carbon energy secured through more efficient nuclear power, and life-saving logistics for the delivery of millions of time-critical drugs. We understand the challenges our clients face and build long-lasting relationships, delivering domain expertise, real-world implementation, and full life-cycle support for today, tomorrow, and beyond. ITI Group. Are you ready?